Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I use my espresso machine to make one of my favorite iced coffee drinks for the summer. I'm going to show you guys how I make my own version of the very popular Starbucks drink, the iced brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso, minus the shaken part. I'm not going to shake mine. So let me show you guys how I make that, and let me show you guys how I use my espresso machine. So if you guys are ready, let's get into it. So here is my beautiful espresso machine. I'm gonna go over the control panel. So here is our main control panel. The first thing that we see here is our pressure gauge. The first button here is the power button, which turns the espresso machine on and off. The second button here is for a single shot of espresso. The third one is for a double shot of espresso. And the fourth button here is to steam the milk. And you'll also see over here this nozzle. And this is our steam nozzle. Over here is the steam wand, and this is what we use to steam our cold milk, and it makes it really warm, or really hot actually. So we have to be careful, especially if you touch this metal part, it's really hot. So make sure that you always grab the rubber here to move the wand around. You can move it around. And back here is the water tank. So you just lift this up and you pour your water in here, or you can lift the whole water tank out like this. So the espresso machine came with a single cup filter for your single shot of espresso, a double cup filter, and this is used for your double shot of espresso, as well as your filter holder and your measure spoon with tamper. Let me show you guys how I make my own version of an iced brown sugar oat milk espresso. Okay, let's give our coffee a little taste test. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. It's so good. I highly recommend it. You don't need a lot to recreate the Starbucks brown sugar ice shaken espresso. There's so many words in there, I can barely remember sometimes what it's called. So what I like to do is I basically do 2 shots of espresso, add ice to it, and I add this non-dairy oat creamer, brown sugar. It's super good. You can get this at Trader Joe's. It's really sweet, so if you don't like it too sweet, I do suggest not to add too much of the creamer. I did add about 1/4 cup creamer to my coffee. I think it's perfect, but if you think it's too sweet, add less of a creamer and add more oat milk that's not sweetened. but this is absolutely delicious. I highly recommend it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I had a lot of fun making this video. If you guys liked this video, please let me know down in the comments section. I will also leave the ingredients that I used to make this coffee. It's super delicious, super easy, super quick. And if you don't have an espresso machine, you could also just use your Keurig or whatever you use to brew your coffee. That also works very well with this recipe. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye everyone.